Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we will show you exactly how to change the icons on Android so you can give your home screen a fresh and unique look. Now let's get started. Method 1. Step 1. Open the Play Store from your home screen to access the massive library of tools available for your device. Step 2. Search for the app named Icon Changer Customize Icon in the search bar and download it to your phone. This specific application is important because it provides the necessary software to swap out standard graphics for more creative designs. Step 3. Open the newly installed app and select the specific application you want to customize from the displayed list. This step tells the software which program needs a makeover, allowing you to target social media, tools, or games individually. Step 4. Browse through the different sections and select an icon from the Simple, Photo, Apps, or third-party tabs. These categories give you the freedom to choose from pre-made designs or even use your own personal photos for a custom touch. Step 5. Once you are happy with your selection, click on OK in the top right corner of the screen to save your choice. This action confirms your design preference and prepares the application to generate the new shortcut for your home screen. Step 6. Tap on the option to add the icon to the home screen when the system prompt appears on your display. This creates a new stylish shortcut that functions just like the original app while matching your chosen aesthetic perfectly. Step 7. Press and hold on the original icon on your home screen and select Remove to clean up your layout. It is important to choose Remove rather than uninstall so the actual app stays on your phone while the old icon disappears. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips